Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make money with cryptocurrency. When looking for the best ways to earn money online, cryptocurrency probably doesn't even hit your mind, but it should. It is one of the fastest growing digital assets. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all end up doing that. Many people either give up along the way or fall into some trap with the rising cases of crypto scams. There are multiple ways to make money with cryptocurrencies other than the obvious way of trading, some of which don't even need you to invest anything but your time and efforts. Let's move on to the ways how you can do it. Number one is buy and hold. The most common way when it comes to investing and making money from cryptocurrencies is buy and hold. Holding is the process where you buy some powerful cryptocurrencies and then hold them for quite some time with the hope for their prices to go significantly up. Once their market prices rise, you sell at a profit. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and BNB are good for long-term investment. They can therefore be considered a safe investment in this regard. However, you are welcome to trade any asset you feel will rise in value. All you need to do is analyze each asset you invest in before committing to hold it. Let's move on to number 2, staking. Stake cryptocurrency method offers a double earning potential through currency price appreciation. Staking involves holding coins in a cryptocurrency wallet to support a blockchain network's security and operations, allowing you to earn additional coins for securing that particular crypto network. Let's move on to number 3, which is earn cryptocurrency dividends. Cryptocurrency dividends work more or less like stock dividends. You invest in a dividend cryptocurrency and earn fixed interest on your investment. Let's move on to number 4, which is trading. Crypto trading is just like stock trading, where you buy and sell tokens, coins for profit margins. More than 80% of cryptocurrency investors believe that the only effective way to earn money in crypto is trading. There is also day trading for those who wish to incur good enough profits by selling and buy cryptocurrencies on the same day. The next and number 5 is cryptocurrency micro tasks. If you have extra time, you can also do some small tasks for individuals or cryptocurrency platforms and get paid for them. The tasks may vary. It could be apps testing, filing and online surveys, AdWords viewing, taking surveys, watching videos, and more. Number 6 is work for cryptocurrency companies. If you work online or have a job that allows you to do so, this is a great way to make an income with cryptocurrency. Whether you are a web designer, digital marketer, writer, or designer, you will find plenty of international companies willing to pay in cryptocurrencies for your work and services. The best thing about working for crypto platforms is that you are likely to work remotely, allowing you to benefit from the flexibility of working from home. So, now the question is, can you make money with cryptocurrency? Well, there you now have your answer. You can start with a small investment and always increase it later on. By following this guide and using the methods we have discussed, you are now well versed in making money with cryptocurrency. Now, get into the wave of new investment and start making money. Goodbye.